So, how would you guys like to make one of these all-bean, water bean stress balls that actually work quite well? But first, I think there's something I'm forgetting. You know, in my head, that seemed like it was going to be a lot more spectacular. Oh well, Happy New Year! Right then, straight into it. Now for today's craft, you'll be needing 2 some balloons, some aqua beads, water beads, or sometimes known as Orbeez. There, when you put them into water, they'll soak up all the water and grow really big. That's them. A bowl of some sort. And last but not least, some method of getting the Orbeez, water beads, or whatever you want to call them, into your balloon. I have cut off the top of a pop bottle, unscrew the lid, and that is going to be my deliverance method. So keep one of these handy. Right then, let's get straight into it, shall we? First you need to get yourself a bowl of water, and then you need to get your water beads, blah 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 blah, the beads that get bigger in water. These things. Now you don't need a lot of these, as even the smallest amount can add up to quite a lot. And we only need to fill a balloon. So, put those in. I'm thinking okay, can you see that? Maybe a handful, 2 handfuls, and once they've got a lot bigger, that's all we're going to need. And now we play the waiting game. Give them enough time to soak up all that water, and then it's on to the next bit. So any time now, any time at all. Probably should get a watch. Right. Now that most of the water has been soaked up and they've started to inflate, we're going to add this to our balloons. Right then. So you want to take your funnel or bottle top like I've got, then you want to put your balloon over the bottle top stem. Right, and there you go. Balloons on, bottle top. Okay, so with your balloon over your homemade bottle top funnel, or if you're actually using a funnel, good for you. If you're making a homemade one, just be careful about the plastic hurting your hands. Right, you want to take a scoop, and then just fill the balloon up. If you pinch the bottom just there and start to push more through, you can stop the other ones coming up. So just fill that as much as you possibly can right to the brim until you can't get anything more in. Right, I'm going to do that now. Right, so I've got myself a second one as well. So I'm going to repeat the process. So we've got 2 stress balls on the go. This one is made from a slightly stronger balloon, so we should see which one will work best. Right then, and there you go, 2 stress balls. Now, shall we see which one's better? Which one do you prefer? I like this one better because you can see them all inside a lot better and all the different colours, but this one should be a lot stronger. Should we give them a test to see which one's the strongest? So next thing's next, I'm going to go outside and put these to a stress test.